The MIM-104 Patriot is a surface-to-air missile system, the primary of its kind, used by the United States Army and several allied nations. It is manufactured by the U.S. defense contractor Raytheon and derives its name from the radar component of the weapon system. The NMPQ-53 at the heart of the system is known as the Phased Array Tracking Radar to Intercept on Target, which is a backronym for Patriot. The Patriot system replaced the Nike Hercules system as the U.S. Army's primary high-to-medium air defense system and replaced the MIM-23 Hawk system as the U.S. Army's medium tactical air defense system. In addition to these roles, Patriot has been given the function of the U.S. Army's anti-ballistic missile system, which is now Patriot's primary mission. The system is expected to stay fielded until at least 2040. Patriot uses an advanced aerial interceptor missile and high-performance radar systems. Patriot was developed at Treadstone Arsenal in Huntsville, Alabama, which had previously developed the Safeguard ABM system and its components Spartan and hypersonic speed sprint missiles. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.